Your mobile engineers are stressed out, even if you don't think they are, and they tell you they aren't. Organizations need to put more effort into improving their mobile engineering experience. And no, I don't mean stocking the exact right brand of energy drink that they prefer, though that is nice. If you're part of a mobile team, you know there are dozens of little tasks that are pulling at your attention every single day. The guy standing on a roof wearing a cowboy hat. Isn't that true for all teams and all engineers? Thank you for the question. It is true to some extent, but mobile engineers spend more time bogged down in process and tooling than their web counterparts. Mobile engineers are often stuck building their own release infrastructure. That's not a good thing. They're not infrastructure engineers. They're mobile engineers. It's right in their title. And we know from surveys that we've done and teams that we've talked to that mobile engineers again and again and again reference their release process as the most stressful, annoying thing that they have to do with their job. They deal with it, they accept it, they move on to other things. But orgs should not accept this and should not encourage their engineers to nobly take on extra work that will leave them stressed out and at some point burned out. How do you know if your own process is managing you? Is a single engineer responsible for managing all of your releases? Then you're being managed by your releases. You are not managing them. Do you have a release rotation? Nice. Do the members of your team dread their turn? Not great. Have you written a 30-page checklist walking through your entire release process in Confluence? Arguably helpful. Does anyone enjoy reading that or going through to update it? No, they don't. Are you building ad hoc scripts to manage tasks and issues as time allows? That's great, but that leads right into the issue of mobile engineers having to build their own infrastructure that we were already talking about earlier in this video. Get releases off your mobile engineers' plates. Lay out a plan for how you're going to run them. Make that plan repeatable and easy to manage by anyone on the team. Use mobile release tooling like Runway to ensure your mobile engineers barely even have to think about their releases. Let them focus on creating and building and put the coordination and administration elsewhere. They'll be happy you did. You'll be happy you did. I'll be happy you did. Random passerby on the street behind me will also be happy you did. But to bring it back around, you'll be happy you did. As will your engineers. Should I repeat that a third time? I don't think so.